I wanted to talk about how to keep your glasses clean, especially in the time of the coronavirus. It's a good idea once you've been out or just periodically, take some dish soap, just regular dish soap, cuts through grease really nicely. And as we all know, the coronavirus has a lot of fat around it. And just lather it up with a little bit of water. Lather it up and take the balls of your fingers and work it around the lens, up and down the temple arms, the corners, the nose pads. Wire glasses typically have a little bit more crevices that you might want to clean. Work it through and then just rinse it off. Rinse everything off. Once done, you can take a nice soft towel and just gently press down where the lens are, so you're not scrubbing against it, just to sort of dry off the excess water, and then dry it off the temple arms. Once you're done with that, you can take your cleaning cloth that is supplied with your Eyewear Insight prescription eyeglasses and just dry off and gently polish the lens. You'll find that once this is done, your glasses will be almost brand new, completely clean, and very nice to look through. Okay, there we go. All right, take care of yourself. Stay well.